Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Daily use English sentences. He looked quite tired. He looked quite tired. He looked quite tired. The area was quiet. The area was quiet. The area was quiet. Where is your school? Where is your school? Where is your school? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I told him to come. I told him to come. I told him to come. Do you want money? Do you want money? Do you want money? I have seen her before. I have seen her before. I have seen her before. I am here on business. I am here on business. I am here on business. Wash your face. Wash your face. Wash your face. I live in this country. I live in this country. I live in this country. I am almost done. I am almost done. I am almost done. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. He wrote the report. He wrote the report. He wrote the report. That's enough for today. That's enough for today. That's enough.